Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen veg noodles at home easy method. Boil noodles for 3 minutes. Sauté garlic and ginger and chop carrots and greens. Mix soy sauce, sesame oil, and vegetable stock to form a savory broth. Add tofu or mushrooms for protein. Toss in noodles to heat through. Garnish with scallions and sesame seeds before serving hot and aromatic. Enjoy. Keep vegetables crisp by slicing thin and cooking briefly to retain color and nutrients. Build flavor with a quick broth using vegetable stock, soy sauce, a splash of rice vinegar, and a touch of sugar. For depth, roast mushrooms or char scallions, then blend lightly or strain for clarity. Finish with sesame oil and chili flakes, then combine noodles and broth so they absorb flavor before serving warm. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like so you don't miss more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, perfect when you're stirring hot broth or carrying groceries. I keep mine nearby during messy prep to avoid spills and stay refreshed. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one too. Now let's get back to the video. Layer textures with crunchy bean sprouts, soft boiled egg halves, and silky tofu cubes. Add fresh herbs like cilantro or Thai basil, and a squeeze of lime for brightness and balance. Keep sauces on the side for picky eaters, and offer chili oil for those who want more heat. Use deep bowls to retain warmth and present noodles with garnishes artistically placed, so each bowl looks inviting and homemade today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.